Well, I haven't prepared anything special for this video, but if you're watching this, that means I quit my 9 to 5. Yeah, that's right. Yesterday I delivered my badge and my keys, so that means I'm officially jobless. And I'm not quite sure what's next. I'm just going with the flow, I'm going whatever direction life throws at me. But first, let me tell you a bit about my work situation. I worked in a local government as a green ecology urban expert slash advisor, if that makes sense. It's very straightforward in Dutch, but in English I'm not sure what it's called. But that means a lot of bureaucracy, a lot of rigid rules, a lot of administration, and that really doesn't fit me. I felt ignored at my place, at my work. Although I worked as an advisor in my field, I often felt ignored, and I felt that I needed to defend myself quite often. And my advice, they didn't take my advice seriously, I felt like, and the council or the city council doesn't have the best interest for green and nature and stuff in general. They generally look more to the public, like the hazards trees bring and nature's brings. So I really felt stuck there, and I knew I had to cut the cord and make the decision to leave there. It made me depressed and I felt trapped really. So that's a bit why I ultimately made this decision. I was saying it's a golden cage. By that I mean, like, I had a good salary, I had a lot of vacation days, I could work from home some days in the week, but all of that doesn't add up. Like, it just felt wrong being there. So I hope and I think I made the right decision. But as of what to do now, I finished my van and I still intend to go to Sweden with my van. I planned a previous trip with my van to France as well. Before I depart to Sweden, like, to test it out a bit, I will make sure to make a video about that too. And anything further than that is, I'm up to anything really. Maybe I find a job in Sweden, maybe I find that YouTube is working out, who knows. Right now it's not working out, and it doesn't have to, it's just very fun to make those videos. And maybe I find a different job in Belgium that fits me more. That would be quite cool, but I'm not gonna force anything right now. I'm just gonna go with the flow, I guess. Just gonna see where life brings me. And I hope it brings me to someplace better. So this video is a little bit less structured, a little bit. I'm sorry if this video feels quite chaotic and quite over the top, because I haven't prepared anything. I'm just rambling to the camera on my own in the woods right now. But so now you know where I stand and what the future will bring. So the videos will keep coming. I will keep doing my best to make good content and keep you guys updated. And if you want to see more of this type of videos, please let me know. I'll keep you guys updated more often with videos like this. Not edited quite as much, just me in nature talking a bit. And that's kind of all I have to say. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a long video, if this is gonna be a short video. It doesn't have to be a long video, just rambling on.